Do you know many people are having trouble with maintaining print quality? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Press ink. Press the ink button on the printer's control panel to begin. Step 2. Select cleaning. Use the arrows to go to Print Head Cleaning and press OK. Step 3. Choose type. Choose a cleaning type, black only, color only, or all, then press OK. Step 4. Select strength. Select normal, strong, or strongest for cleaning, then confirm with OK. Step 5. Press start. Finally, press start to initiate the cleaning process. With these steps, your Brother MFC-J4335DW should print as good as new. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.